What's up, Jooba people? If you want to learn the song, check out the links in the description for this PDF to download it inside the Jooba people community. So, without further ado, let me play the song for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chorus. Okay, so this song is pretty basic. We're gonna jump straight into the picking pattern. That's the first important thing you have to get down for this song, and then we go from there. So D sus2, and then we start with a pinch on the 4th string and 1st string. Strum, pinch, down, bass, down. Now you can also do the pinch, start on the 2nd string, so. Pattern basically starts. I've got a bigger tutorial for this pattern on the community, so I'm not going to go too in depth into that. Okay. Now let's go through the chords here. So we've got D sus2, which you can play with the middle and pinky there, and then this slides up into D major 13, and then D major 13 again. D6 sus2. Okay, do that twice, and it starts with a hammer on after the pinch. Okay, second line, once the verse kicks in, we're going to start with this G major 7 chord with a thumb on the 3rd fret and muting the 5th string. Okay, so that's our chord, and then we start with the pinch. And then we're going to slide up here. You're going to take this ring finger and put it down. So thumb is kind of went off a little bit, and the position of the hand changed to be this awkward, non-accurate position, but non-technically proficient, I guess. And then we're going to this G with a sharp 11 into it. So we're doing that same thing as with the D, but now we got the G in the bass. And then the only change is we're going to move this whole thing back to a G add 9, and then to a G 6 add 9. So the G part is. Let's do that again. Quite intense, and to get this thing, I try to put my thumb right on the fret, and it's quite tough. It's quite a work of it, but don't think you have to have a solid bass going the whole time. You don't have to have that. You can go, because the bass there's a mute in between the. You don't have to always keep the same pressure on the thumb. That really helps a lot. Okay, when we get to the chorus, we've got this very nice chord. So we got but this chord we should actually play like that, sorry, with the thumb. D over F sharp. And then we go to a E over E7. Okay, let's just do this part again. Stop this train. So the next line here is quite easy, but this line is probably where you're going to struggle with this. Now, if you've never played melody and a picking pattern at the same time, the whole idea is you want to keep the pattern as much as possible while playing the melody. So first you need to be very solid on the pattern, but then also be very solid on the melody. So stop this train, wanna get off and go home again. Da, 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 da. So that whole melody you have to memorize so that you can play that while doing the picking pattern. So that's all being played with the ring finger and the middle finger. But you know, that's a technique that you just have to know before you play a song like this. I'm not going to teach you to for this specific song. Okay, then we're going to go to the last part of the chorus, which is just the picking pattern. You're going to start with a pinch on the 5th string and 3rd string. So it's just going through that chord sequence. A7/4, A minor 7, this string, and then when we get to the bridge, we've got this almost 10th voicings G chord. Once in a while, you could actually do an A7 there, sounds a bit better. When it's good, it'll feel like it. It's almost the type of voicings that Blackbird uses. But anyway, once in a while, it's good, it'll feel like it should. It's all surround, and at the end, he just goes. Add a pinky there at the bottom on the A over C sharp chord, and then the last line, when you're driving away, is that D, drive, and I like to put the melody in there, driving away, A minor at 9, driving away in the dark. On one live version he adds the pinky here. Remember to mute the 5th string here with this shape. You're driving got that train vibe to it. I really like the song. It's a lot of fun. Okay, the chords and lyrics. If you want to jam with the chords and lyrics, this is the whole chart, and you can go check that out. Cool beats, guys. Let me see your submissions in the community. I'd love to see you guys try this out. I'd love to see you play it. Cheers, guys.